Dog Day at Work. Welcome to Dog Day at Work. Today I'm excited to share my first drawing for you. I hope you enjoy your day. And it is going great, like I am enjoying my day. From Auntie Tasianna. Hello, dear. Please like this video right now while you enjoy watching it with me. Yes, while you enjoy drawing with me, I should say. And word of the day, just for you. You are a wonderful child, just the way you are. Please remember that and think that every single day about yourself. Remember, you are wonderful and you love yourself. And remember, wonderful children do their schoolwork each day. You know why you do your schoolwork each day? That is to feed your brain with wisdom. The mind needs to be fed just like you feed in your body. And that's by reading and writing and thinking good stuff. Remember, guys, you see, after school, remember also it's very important for you to take time and hang out with your friends, talk, play, kick football, dress like a king and princess if you want. That is all right too. With that said, my little ones, I hope you're enjoying Dog Day. Right, I hope you like it. I'm putting in the colors right now, and I do hope you like that as well. And don't forget, when you're playing with your friends, before your playtime is up, remember to tell them something nice that you like about them. And I hope they tell you something nice about yourself too. Remember to follow this video right now if you haven't followed it as yet. And the most important thing is to love yourself the most. See you in the next one.